Did you know that an electric toothbrush is more effective at removing sticky plaque, and that prevents gum disease? Also, removing plaque has also got to do with how you brush your teeth. And electric toothbrushes have already been designed in such a way that they are most effective in removing anything that is on your teeth, plaque, debris, any food stuck in your teeth. It is designed to remove it most effectively. That is why many people are choosing to buy electric toothbrushes, not just for the fact that it automatically brushes your teeth, but because it does a better job and is more hygienic and promotes better oral health. In this video, we are going to share 5 of the best electric toothbrushes that you can buy in India right now. They are all very good quality, and if you pick up any one of them, you'll definitely get a good deal. Let's start with the one at number 5. This is the AGARO Cosmic Plus Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It delivers powerful sonic vibrations at 40,000 strokes per minute, which will not only give you a thorough clean, but make sure the toothpaste you use is effectively used for your oral hygiene. It'll create bubbles out of the toothpaste and drive them deep between your teeth and along your gum line, which will prevent gum disease. It has W-type brush heads that gently and effectively remove even surface stains on teeth. And to deliver double the brightening effect on your teeth, it has got a very densely arranged central descaling bristles area, which brightens your teeth and shows an effect within a few weeks. Like most electric toothbrushes, it has a 2-minute timer, which is recommended by dentists. It also gives a pause every 30 seconds to allow you to move the brush to other areas of your mouth. It's easily charged with a USB cable, and 4 hours of charging will give you at least 25 days of use. And head replacement is very simple. It's just all about rotating it clockwise or counterclockwise to lock, unlock, and remove and replace the heads. At the number 4 spot is the Colgate PROCLINICAL 150 Sonic Charcoal Battery Powered Toothbrush. Colgate is a brand known by everybody. The PROCLINICAL electronic toothbrush is an innovative toothbrush. It delivers unique multi-directional brush strokes, and that too over 2000 strokes per minute, with bristles that are soft and thin-tipped that give a much better cleaning experience. The PROCLINICAL 150 has been designed to remove plaque much better and is more gentle on your gums than when you do manual toothbrushing. Also, it has got charcoal infused bristles, and charcoal is antibacterial, so this further prevents bacterial growth on the bristle surface. The head is easily replaceable, and it has a built-in 2-minute timer. And overall, the design of the brush is very nice. It is slim and lightweight, and it works very quietly. At the number 3 spot, we have the Oral-B Vitality 100 White Electric Toothbrush. Oral-B is a very well-known brand, and the Vitality 100 White has a 2D cleaning action. The action is oscillation and rotation that results in better plaque removal. And when you move the brush around your mouth, the cross-action toothbrush head surrounds each tooth, and the bristles of this toothbrush are angled at 16 degrees for maximum cleaning effect. And it has a 2-minute timer, and also every 30 seconds it tells you to change the area of your brushing. It also delivers better whitening of the teeth. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and each head of the brush lasts for up to 3 months. At the number 2 spot is the Caresmith Spark Electric Toothbrush. The Spark electric toothbrush, like all the other toothbrushes we have mentioned, has a 2-minute timer, which is the ideal period recommended by dentists. It has got smooth, soft bristles that correspond to the natural shape of your teeth. And this electric toothbrush delivers a comfortable and thorough brushing experience. And one unique advantage of this toothbrush is that it is IPX7 waterproof. That means you can actually use it while you are in the shower. It is slim and has a light design. It's easy for anybody to hold, even children or people who have a little bit of dexterity problem. And it comes with 30 seconds quad intervals, which again tell you to move the toothbrush to another part of your mouth. And another feature is an anti-dust cap. When you store your electric toothbrush, it will keep dust, germs and bacteria away. And at the number 1 spot is the Oral-B Cross-Action Electric Toothbrush. This is a cross-action toothbrush that delivers 2 cleaning actions. The rotating power head of this electric toothbrush loosens and whisks away the plaque from surfaces of your teeth, the gum line, and also the back of the teeth. It has got power crisscross bristles that have been designed to reach deeper between the teeth and it lifts out and sweeps away plaque and other debris. The bristles are multi-angled and in opposing directions, which allows it to reach between the teeth and actually sweep away anything that is there. It has a soft rubberized grip and it delivers excellent comfort and control. This is a really good electric toothbrush that will definitely give you better results very quickly, better oral hygiene, better gum health, brighter teeth, and effectively more cleaning action in every stroke. That brings us to the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Do like, share and subscribe to get more from Kaun Banega Smart Buyer. Kaun Banega